Om Srimate Ramanujaya Namaha. Sriram Jayam Shuklam Baradharam Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasanna Dhyayet Sarva Viknopashantaye. Namaskar and welcome back to Amara Bharata channel, where we are doing the series called Laghu Vyakarana Abhyasa Sudha. In this video, we look at the Tadhita Pratyayaha, also called as Tadhitantaha. A short introduction to what are Pratyayas. A Padam, any word in Sanskrita, is made up of a Prakriti and a Pratyaya, a suffix. For example, Ramaha is nothing but Rama, which is the Pratipadikam followed by a which is a sup pratyaya. So as a result of pratipadikam joining with a sup pratyaya, we get a subantam, which is a vibhakti form which we are all familiar with. Similar to the sup pratyaya padam, subanta padam, tadita pratyayas are also added to pratipadikam. The words thus formed come in a variety of senses. Example, an abstract noun or as a word indicating lineage and so on. For example, we can form these words in English as we already know. From the word child, we get the word childhood. From intelligence, we get the word intellectual, which means an intelligent person. From leader, we get leadership, king, kingdom, human, and humanness, and so on. Perhaps these whatever words we see in English were inspired by the Tadita Pratyayas which existed long before in the Sanskrit language. There are a variety of Tadita Pratyayas, many Tadita Pratyayas, of which we see only these few: Matup and Vatup, Thak, Tva, Tal. Introduction to Matup and Vatup. Matup or Vatup Pratyaya will give us a word which indicates one who has, one who possesses, one who is endowed with, one who is filled with this particular property or this particular object. For example, we know joy. From there we get a joyful person, a person filled with joy. From art, we get artist who is endowed with art. From music, we get musician. From wealth, we get a wealthy person who is filled with or endowed with wealth. The pratyayas in Matup and Vatup are Man and Van. Man is used for those prakritis, for those root words which are not ending in A, whereas Van is used for those prakritis which end in A. And these pratyayas formed by Matup and Vatup have different forms in masculine, feminine, and neuter genders. For example, we'll see Shakti is the root, Prakriti. If we add Matup, which is the Pratyaya, we get Shaktiman in Pullinga, Shaktimati in Strilinga, and Shaktimat in Napumsakalinga. This is the Padam, this is the word which gets formed by the addition of Prakriti and Pratyaya. Shakti is ending in Ikara, not in A. Therefore, Man will come, so it will be Matup Shaktiman. Whereas Dhana is ending in A, so it will have Vatup here. Dhanavan in Pullinga, Dhanavati in Strilinga, Dhanavatin Napumsakalinga. We'll see some more examples. Shakti plus Matup is Shaktiman, Shaktimati, Shaktimat, which indicates a powerful person. Shri plus Matup is Shriman, Shrimati, Shrimat, indicating a prosperous person, a person endowed with prosperity. Buddhi plus Matup is Buddhiman, Buddhimati, Buddhimat, wise person or intellectual. Madhu plus Matup is Madhuman, Madhumati, Madhumat, sweet person. Dhi plus Matup is Dhiman, Dhimati, Dhimat, wise, intelligent person once more. Kirti plus Matup is Kirtiman, Kirtimati, Kirtimat, famous person. Ikshu plus Matup is Ikshuman, Ikshumati, Ikshumat, full of sugarcane, means endowed with lot of sugarcane in his godown. Ikshuman. All the first words here are in Pullinga, which is in masculine. The second words here are in Strilinga, and the third one is in Napumsakalinga. We go to the Vatup here. Dhana plus Vatup is Dhanavan, Dhanavati, Dhanavat, wealthy person. Bala plus Vatup is Balavan, Balavati, Balavat, strong person. Rupa plus Vatup is Rupavan, Rupavati, Rupavat, handsome or beautiful person. Vidya plus Vatup, Vidyavan, Vidyavati, Vidyavat, learned person. Guna plus Vatup is Gunavan, Gunavati, Gunavat, virtuous person. Now, Lakshmi plus Matup should have come, but there is Lakshmi plus Vatup here. This is an exception to the rule which I told earlier. So, Lakshmi plus Vatup will be Lakshmivan, Lakshmivati, Lakshmivat, prosperous person. Next pratyaya we see is Thak pratyaya, which means related to, pertaining to this object. So what this pratyaya does is it derives adjectives from nouns. For example, word will become verbal as an adjective. Day will become daily. Year will become annual. Society will become social. Money will become monetary. City will become civic. The pratyaya here is ika. The thak pratyaya takes the form called ika. These have different forms in masculine, feminine and neuter. We'll see vach, which is the prakriti, plus thak, which is pratyaya, will become vachika. And vachikaha in pumlinga, vachiki in strilinga, and vachikam in napumsakalinga, which is the padam. So vachika means verbal. Sharira, prakriti plus thak pratyaya will give sharirika. Sharirikaha in pumlinga, shaririki in strilinga, sharirikam in napumsakalinga. We'll see some more examples here. Dharma plus thak is dharmika, dharmikaha, dharmiki, dharmikam means pious. Karma plus thak is karmika, karmikaha, karmiki, karmikam, which is related to work. So, as I told you, the thak pratyaya will result in ika being added, which we are seeing now. Nagara plus thak is nagarika, nagarikaha, nagariki, nagarikam, civilized or urbane, we can say. Bhuta plus thak is bhautika, bhautikaha, bhautiki, bhautikam, material. Adhyatma plus thak is adhyatmika, will become adhyatmikaha, adhyatmiki, adhyatmikam, spiritual. You may notice something. Dharma, dha was hrasva here. When the thak pratyaya got added, it became dharmika, which means it became dirgha. Karma became karmika. Nagara became nagarika. Bhuta became bhautika. Adhyatma became adhyatmika. Similarly, Samskrita plus thak will become Samskritika. Samskritikaha, Samskritiki, Samskritikam, cultural. Niti plus thak is Naitika. Naitikaha, Naitiki, Naitikam, ethical. Masa plus thak is Masika. Masikaha, Masiki, Masikam, monthly. Itihasa plus thak is Aitihasika, Aitihasikaha, Aitihasiki, Aitihasikam, historical. Dina plus thak is Dainika, Dainikaha, Dainiki, Dainikam, daily. Varsha plus thak will become Varshika, Varshikaha, Varshiki, Varshikam, annual. Now the next two pratyayas we see are Tva and Tal, which are used to form abstract nouns denoting a state, a quality of an object or a person. For example, leader to leadership, heavy to heaviness, scholar to scholarship, friend to friendship, kind to kindness. So, ness or ship get added here as in English. The pratyayas in Sanskrit are tva, which is tvam, which gives us a napumsakalinga pada, whereas tal or ta will give us a strilinga pada. Let us see now. Vidvas, which is the prakriti, plus tva pratyaya will become vidvatvam, which is scholarship. Vidvas plus prakriti plus Tal pratyaya here, which is ta, will give us vidvatta. Both of them mean the same thing, which is scholarship, whereas this is in neuter gender, napumsakalinga, and this one is in feminine gender, strilinga. Now, let us see some examples. Vidvas plus twice vidvatvam, vidvas plus tal is vidvatta, scholarship. Mitra plus twice mitratvam, mitra plus tal is mitrata or friendship. Mahat plus twice mahatvam, mahat plus tal is mahatta, greatness. Laghu plus twice laghutvam, laghu plus tal is laghuta, lightness. So the suffixes added are tva and ta. The words on the left are all in napumsakalinga, whereas the words on the right are all in strilinga. Dirgha plus tva is dirghatvam, dirgha plus tal is dirghata, longness or length. Guru plus tva is gurutvam, guru plus tal is guruta, heaviness. Pavitra plus tva is pavitratvam, pavitra plus tal is pavitrata, holiness. Dirgha sutra plus tva is dirgha sutratvam, dirgha sutra plus tal is dirgha sutrata, which is procrastination. Pashu plus tva is pashutvam, pashu plus tal is pashuta, animality. Murkha plus tva is murkhatvam, murkha plus tal is murkhata or foolishness. Now we look at a summary of what all we learned in this lesson. The tadhita pratyayas. Shakti, which is the Prakriti, plus Matup will give Shaktiman, Shaktimati, and Shaktimat. Dhana plus Vatup will give Dhanavan, Dhanavati, Dhanavat. Then Vach plus Thak will give Vachika, Vachikaha, Vachiki, Vachikam. Sharira plus Thak will give Sharirika, Sharirikaha, Shaririki, Sharirikam in Pumlinga, Strilinga, and Napumsakalinga. Vidvas plus tva is vidvatvam, which is always in napumsakalinga neuter, I told you. Vidvas plus tal is vidvatta, which is in strilinga or feminine gender. Now a short quiz, abhyasa bhaga. Separate the prakriti from the pratyaya. Karmikaha, laghuta, kirtiman, balavantau, dharmikaha. Join the prakriti and pratyaya. Vidvas plus tva, Shakti plus Matup, Manushya plus tva, Guru plus tal, Sharira plus thak. Let us see the answers. First one is Karmikaha, Karma plus thak. Laghuta is Laghu plus tal. Kirtiman is Kirti plus Matup. Balavantau, Bala plus Matup will give us Balavan. Tau, Balavantau. There are two of these people, so Tau, Balavantau. Dharmikaha is Dharma plus Thak. Vidvas plus tva is Vidvatvam. Shakti plus Matup is Shaktimat. Manushya plus tva is Manushyatvam. Guru plus tal is Guruta. Sharira plus Thak is Sharirikaha. This brings me to the end of this video on Tadhita Pratyayaha, Tadhitantaha as a part of Laghu Vyakarana Abhyasa Sudha. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe and share. See you in the next video with the Stri Pratyaya part. Shubham Bhoyat, Mangalamastu, Vande Mataram, Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu.